Hello everyone, today I will show you how to switch or change PDF page position in a PDF file using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and go home option. Now select page thumbnail option and put your mouse cursor here and increase page thumbnail bar and select your page you want to switch and I will switch it down. See this. Also I'll choose this page as first page and see this. Also choose this page and see this. Also you can choose this page as select page organize option and select your move page option. I will move this page number 6 before page number 5 and select page number, type your page number 6 and comma and select here page number 5 and before and select OK and see this. In this way you can also choose it. Also I'll put this page number 3 after page number 4 and same way select your replace option, move option and type your page number 3, type comma and select here after and type your page number 4. Now select OK and see this. In this way you can choose and change your page position. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.